Okay, so this is definitely the hardest lesson of section 7. So you're going to need to take notes on this, pause this video when you don't understand, rewatch it, write down questions for me because it definitely is the toughest lesson. Open your books, page 134, and before you begin, you don't need to write these directions down, but you're going to define what subject and subject complement are. So go ahead and pause the video and write down the definitions of subject and subject complement. So the subject is who or what the sentence is about. And who or what is a person or a thing. So this is a noun. A subject complement renames the subject and it follows a helping verb such as am, are, is, was, and were. And a subject complement is also a noun. So you're going to need to know what both of those are for today's lesson. So go ahead and pause the video and read the top of page 134 up until the highlighted part. All right, we're going to write down that definition. A noun phrase is used as the subject of the verb is. A prepositional phrase can also appear as a noun in other places within a sentence. So the first sentence, it says, the time we usually visit is in the summer. That's the time that you usually visit. That is a subject complement. In the other example sentence, it says, in the Appalachians is where I want to be. In the Appalachians is where I want to be. In the Appalachians is the subject of that sentence. So remember, subjects are at the beginning of sentences, just like in the Appalachians. And subject complements are at the end of sentences. Okay, that's going to help you identify these noun phrases. Pause the video and try those last two example sentences on your own. So you were correct if you said after school is acting as the subject because it comes before the helping verb is, right? Comes before the helping verb is. So we're going to do all of exercise 1 together because I'm sure that you still have questions, but make sure you pause the video before you hear my answers. You want to try and test yourself and see if you know it without me because it doesn't matter if you copy down the answers from me. I'm not even seeing your notes until we're back at school, so make sure that you understand how to do it. So pause the video and do number 1. All right, so I'm going to look for that magic word is. A good time to visit Appalachia is in the spring or fall. In the spring or fall is the prepositional phrase. It comes after is. And since it comes after is, that's a subject complement. Number 2, in the mountains is where I love to be. In the mountains comes before is. It's at the beginning of the sentence, so it's a subject. Number 3, on a mountain trail is a wonderful place to enjoy nature. So, and that's at the beginning of the sentence, so that's the subject. Number 4, from a mountaintop is the best place to view scenery. From a mountaintop. Beginning of the sentence, subject. Number 5, on foot is the surest way to travel through the mountains. On foot. Beginning of the sentence, so that makes it a subject. Number 6, before 7 a.m. is the best starting time for hiking. You were correct if you said before 7 a.m. That's at the beginning of the sentence, subject. Number 7, at noontime is when a person might rest and have lunch. At noontime. At the beginning, subject. Between noon and 1 o'clock is an advantageous time to seek shelter from the sun. Before noon and 1. Beginning of the sentence, subject. Number 9, under a shady tree is a perfect place to relax. Under a shady tree. Beginning of the sentence, subject. And number 10, another fine place is near a running stream. Near a running stream. That's at the end of the sentence, subject complement. They didn't really give you a ton of practice of subject complements. That's a bummer. So go ahead and complete exercise 2 on Google Classroom and let me know if you still have questions.